Okay. So Princey, how are you, beta?
I am fine, sir.
Take the question.
Sir, please explain me. GR would like to.
Okay. So guys, meet today Princey Bajeta. She belong to English medium from CBC board. Right now she is studying in the class 5. And right now she is asking that how can we use would like to. Guys, would like to is used to narrate your feeling, emotion, your sentiment, especially during English conversations. So guys, today I will teach you how can we use. We are some examples. So start now. Guys, according to I would like to drink tea. मैं चाय पीना पसंद करूंगा. Is that clear, Princey? Okay. We would like to drink coffee. हम कॉफ़ी पीना पसंद करेंगे. You would like to drink milk. आप दूध पीना पसंद करेंगे. They would like to study. वो अध्ययन करना पसंद करेंगे. She would like to make up. वह मेकअप यूज़ करना पसंद करेगी. He would like to go village. वह गांव जाना पसंद करेगा. So guys, you are looking that, you are observing that in all sentences we are using would like to, especially to narrate your feeling and emotions. Is that clear? So guys, if you like this GR, then you can follow us at our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more interesting English tricky video, then you can visit at our official website, whose official URL link is www.navea.in. And guys, you can contact us at our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much.